Hello friends, welcome back to Wamson Mathematics Higher Education classes. मैं जितेंद्र कुमार from राट हमीरपुर यूपी. Today I will discuss the very important topic which is known as the linear differential equation, which is the form of dy by dx and p of x with the function of x and y is equal to q of x, which is a function of x only. Okay, so this equation is very important, and the solution of this is exact or not, or how can we solve this equation, today I will discuss. आज मैं आपको इसके सॉल्यूशन के बारे में बताऊंगा, कैसे इस इक्वेशन को हम सॉल्व करेंगे और कैसे डील करेंगे. So let me start. This equation is given, and now if now multiply r with the function of x, so multiply both sides, so rx dy by dx plus p of x r of x into y into q of x or r of x. Clear? This differential equation is exact. Now so left side of this, I mean this expression, is nothing but a differential coefficient of differential coefficient of another term of product or differential product of another term. So let me write here. So this is rx and dy by dx plus this is p of x r of x y is equal to differentiate derivative of r into y. So here now differentiate, so this is nothing but dr by dx and y is same. Now applying the chain rule, so r is same and dy by dx. Let me write here this term and this term both equal, and so this term this is also equal. So now comparing, and the px and rx is equal to dr by dx. Now integrate, so this is px into dx, and here we can write dr by r. So let me, this is nothing but log r. So now we can find the value of r. So r is nothing but e to the power, this is what, px into dx. So we can easily find r. R is the nothing but a multiplier which is choose here, which is a continuous, continuous in any types of interval, some interval. So here this is a linear equation, so we cannot find the how to find the solution. या हमें ये नहीं पता कि हम कैसे इसका solution find out करेंगे. तो हमने कहा this is not a exact form. So now we multiply the integrating factor. Assume that this rx is an integrating factor which contain only x term. So let me multiply both sided, and now assume that this whole expression is exact form. So the left side of this expression is nothing but a derivative of the product of r and y. So let me start, and now now find the derivative of this term, and comparing both sides, and we can easily find out the value of r. Value of r is nothing but e to the power px and dx. So let me write here. So let me write here. So this is our linear differential equation. So the solution of linear differential equation nothing but y into integrating factor and integration sign q of x into integrating factor dx plus c. This is our solution. बिकॉज इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर ऑलरेडी हमने फाइंड आउट कर लिया था, डायरेक्टली इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर रखेंगे और ये हमारा क्या है, ऑलरेडी इसका सॉल्यूशन हमें पता है. सो इस टाइप से हम सॉल्यूशन इसका निकाल सकते हैं. लेट मी डिस्कस द सम एग्जांपल व्हिच इज बेस्ड ऑन दिस फैक्ट. सो नाउ एग्जांपल. So example is nothing but x cos x cos x dy by dx and y into x sin x plus cos x is equal to 1. So let me here the standard equation here this is free from the term here the coefficient is 1. So here now इसे भी आप coefficient 1 में convert करेंगे तो convert करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, इस whole term से divide करना पड़ेगा. So now divide, so now divide by dx and here the x sin x plus cos x and divided by whole term x cos x into y is equal to 1 upon x cos x. So let me write here dy by dx plus what, divide this whole x, so x cancel and this is nothing but what, tan x, and here the so 1 upon x, and this is y and this is nothing but 1 upon x into what, sec x. Okay, okay. So this is our px, what, tan x plus 1 by x. Okay, so integrating factor is nothing but e to the power p of x into dx. So e to the power here the tan x plus 1 by x dx. So let me integrate here. So this is nothing but log sec x, or here the plus log log x. So let me apply the log rule. See, this is nothing but log x sec x e base, so this is cancel out, so integrating factor is nothing but x into what, sec x. So this is our integrating factor. So let me write here integrating factor is nothing but x sec x. So what our the working rule? Working rule nothing but now multiply. So here let me write here the dy by dx plus here let me write here tan x plus 1 by x y into 1 upon x, or here write here sec x. Okay. So let me multiply by now solution is nothing but y into integrating factor. So integrating factor is nothing but x into sec x, and now let me write here 1 by x into sec x into sec x dx is equal to a constant c. So let me cut here. So what will get, sec square x dx plus c, and sec square x nothing but the integration of tan x plus c, and y into x sec x. This is our solution. So this is very important, and many times this is important for many types of the competitive exams like NET JRF and MSc and BSc.